I ate all of that. We just had lunch. It was delicious. We're at Taco John's. Nummy.
We're not endorsing it.
For the Taco John's website, it's here. Do they even have a website?
Do you guys have a website?
Every day of the order fresh at Taco John's. They promise to put 6 tons of lettuce on each taco. This is fine. I always take like that much amount of lettuce out.
And there's still like a whole bunch.
I mean, they put like 6 tons of lettuce in. All I ask for is like a little pinch. A little pinch. That's all I want. Nope. Here's a whole handful.
Try to fool us. They're like, oh, we put a lot of meat in there. Just kidding, it's lettuce.
And they give these nice drinks. Can you believe this is a small? Looks like a medium to me.
For real. America's fat.
Mountain Dew. Wanna see?
I gave up pop again. So I have fruit punch.
But fruit punch is kind of like pop anyways. It has just as much sugars.
It doesn't have carbonated water.
Carbonated water. Special way to say quit jacking off your pop. I like how we were going to show you how we ate lunch, but we ate it
after effects.
The aftermath of everything.
There's nothing left.
Nothing. We devoured it.
Chelsea thought of Hayden, and then she what is that called again? Gagged.
Gagged. Whoa.
She gagged when she thought of him. She's like, I was like, oh. She's like, I was like, Hayden. She doesn't like Hayden.
Not that much. Not a big fan.
We had a senior skip day, and okay, so we had this big old plan, right? We're getting our friend Christian, who was like a sophomore at the time, so she's got a senior skip day with us anyways. But we had this big old plan, but somebody tells Coach Lamb, oh, hey, I'm not going to be there at practice because senior skip day is tomorrow, ha ha ha. And then
so then he was like, it's mandatory. So if you don't go to school, you can't go to Glendive or whatever, divisionals or something. I put it on Facebook. But then we had a big discussion and fight about it, and then we deleted everything so no one could look at the evidence.
I was just thinking about it because I never saw it.
I know. It was so quick. It was like the quickest little fight ever. We had it there, and then it was gone.
I was so pissed. I was like, damn it, I wanted to watch that movie. My mom was all down for it. She was going to call the school, but nope, Coach Lamb was like, you gotta go to this practice, or you're not going to play.
Your mom was going to call the school. I was just not going to show up.
Yeah, my mom was going to call the school. She was down for it.
I'm glad I did go, because I got extra credit in government.
I got extra credit in calculus, but I still got an F. So it didn't even help.
It was okay project. I wouldn't say it was the best. Hell, never mind. I failed it. She was like, oh, you're such a good student. You actually listened. Because that night, I waited till the last night to do everything. I work good under pressure. I always get A's and do my quickest work.
Sounds like my Tier W class for college. I got an A in that class. Oh, I waited till like an hour before class just to start my journals. But they were really good. I can write really well under pressure.
Most of mine are just bullshit. I just got like, oh yeah, and the dinosaurs ate pygmy horses, and they flew across Japan and made cowboys. And I would get an A.
She made it sound so convincing. I was convinced right there.
You should be convinced too, I mean. I know my shit.
I always wondered where cowboys came from. Somehow they ended up all in Montana.
Exactly. So, Rena, how would you rate today's food?
I'm not a professional or anything, but you know, the quality of the lettuce and meat, I'd give it a 4. A 4. I think it deserves a 4. I've had better.
4 out of what?
4 out of 10.
4 out of 10? I would say it would be a 4 out of 10 too, maybe. Maybe a 4.5. I was kind of pleased with the potatoes. Put your lights on.
That's why I was angry.
That's why the car was angry and beeping at us. You're going out the wrong way, lady. You're supposed to go around the establishment. What? And then you're just breaking the law.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
You're Judas Priest right now. Breaking the law, breaking the law, breaking the law. Did you know that it snowed in California?
That's supposed to get warmer.
Oh, it's all snowed in. It's a sad day when you see a swimming pool full of snow. It's a sad, sad day.
Oh man.
This is where Christian is. She's not in our video today. She's at dumb old high school. Who goes to high school anymore? We go to Taco John's when everyone else is at school being boring.
We go when the adults go.
We're adults now. Ooh, look at the rape van.
Ooh, and I owe it all to you. I can't do it. She's got her glasses on. Oh, she gets it. Remember to subscribe.
I'm the Mac Daddy, y'all. Want a little bit of and a little bit. I was like, good gracious, ass bodacious. That's all I know. Oh yeah, you guys should follow us on Twitter. Mine is just Chelsea, and Renita's is follow me 2310. I'm not good with snow.
I hate Montana. It gets warm, and then melts all the ice, and it becomes all the snow, and it becomes water, then gets on the roads, and then it becomes cold again, and then it turns into the ice.
And then when it gets hot, it evaporates, and we just told you all 3 functions of water. All 3 of those functions happen in 1 minute in Montana.
1 minute.
Okay, the sad time has come. I go back to work.
Chelsea, you have a good day at work, okay? And you be nice to the other workers, especially Curtis.
Okay, I'll be nice to everyone.
Well, maybe not Curtis. I don't know. I haven't decided yet if I like him. So you can get off now. Alright, have a good day at work.
Bye.
I had the time of my life, and I've never felt this way before. And I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you. Remember to subscribe.